lot of folks don't think about this, but in older homes, and some new homes do this, but most of the older homes, you'll have your heating unit inside your house. A couple of things that I did for sound reasons and safety reasons is I came in and completely around the unit, I put in some foam board, and I even put it on the door because this is open up to my attic. That helps with the noise, so when I'm watching TV, I can hear it. Another thing you want to think about on a furnace is that that's burning gas. And when you burn gas, you get water and odorless carbon monoxide. That's happening inside your house. So I always tell my clients to get a carbon monoxide alarm and put it in each sleeping area. If it starts beeping, don't just unplug it. Call somebody to check your gas burning appliance because you may have a carbon monoxide leak.